Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily initialize your USB memory default settings on the CANON i-SENSYS MF657Cdw. So first, what we want to do is we want to enter the menu. Now after we enter the menu, let's go over to function settings, and here let's click on store and access files, and go to common settings. And here go to scan and store settings, USB memory settings, and then change the default settings. Here we need to click on the initialize, so the initialize is right here. And after that we need to confirm if you want to initialize those settings, so let's click yes. And now as you guys can see, everything is back to what it was before. So that's basically it. I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.